I just want to share my newly remodeled kitchen. This almost took 1 year from start. I started like in October with Natasha as my designer. So I just want to share with you because I'm going to show you the before and then what I went through. But this is just a quick little video of my kitchen. If you can remember, I had this refrigerator in this area here, which I couldn't really open because of this wall. So now that is gone. I got all these beautiful cabinets from Cabinet Gallery, and Alex Sarmento was such a great guy to work with, and his team did such a beautiful job. I'm really excited because I got my dishwasher, which I've always wanted. I never had for such the longest time. I was able to get these lamps just to add a little decor. My sink here, one big sink, and I made black because I didn't want the stainless steel because I found that they always had spots all the time. And then this was just 2 days ago that I finally got the final touches, and this was the backsplash that I got from Forever Tile, and Tina that's there was able to pick it out quickly for me so I didn't have to keep looking and looking and looking. So just wanted to show some of the features of my cabinetry, and it's this garbage that I just hit with my knee and it automatically opens. I put the spice rack here, and they all soft close next to the stove. Then I have my little eating area and my Bible study corner here, and it just works out perfectly while I watch the little hummingbirds go after each other, sharing their little, oh, they don't share, their feeder. And this was my inspiration. I'll back up, I've always saw these baking centers. So, you know me, remember, I only make these cookies once a year, but I always thought, oh, if I could just have a baking center. So I just pull it out, and it was such a great feature that Alex from Cabinet Gallery was able to design it. I just showed him pictures from Pinterest, and he was able to design this cabinet for me. So then I got all my baking stuff in one corner here. And then a beautiful little glass cabinetry here. So I'm going to swing around here so you don't look at my next project, my dining room. This is my double oven, which is the top oven is the microwave convection oven combo, and then the bottom is the oven. And I wanted all this above the stove here to put on my baking and trays and cookie sheets. So that was a really plus feature. And then the refrigerator. I had to enclose the other side of the wall here because it was the stove here, just to put this nice bigger refrigerator, and the doors open and I'm not banging into any of the doors. So then this cabinetry here, my pantry cabinet here. So then let's a cute little sunflower setting right here. This is where the entrance is, but my flooring is oh, there's Chloe. And to my laminate flooring, I decided to go that route instead of tile because it's so much easier to clean and also easier on my legs. So this is my kitchen. I am so happy that I finally was able to get my dream come true. It was many, many, many years in the making, and God is so good and blessed me with this beautiful kitchen and the beautiful people that helped me get this done.